The market is red and Novocure stock is flying high. Why is Novocure stock up 62.4% headed in the last hour of trading when the market's selling off, especially growth stocks with no PE ratio? This is sitting at a $12 billion market cap. What is going on with NVCR stock? I'm going to explain it here on this video today. Let's get into it. Okay, it's a biotech stock, and first you have to understand non-small cell lung cancer, NSCLC. Lung cancer is the most common cause of cancer-related deaths worldwide. You might not know that. I actually didn't know that until I started researching this. So it's responsible for 85% of all lung cancers. It's estimated approximately 193,000 patients are diagnosed with this every year just in the United States. So the stock is flying high off of this news right here. Novocure today announced the LUNAR study met its primary endpoint and clinically meaningful improvement in overall survival over standard therapies alone. So here's a quote from Novocure. Of course, they're happy with this LUNAR study. We are also pleased by the profound performance of the TT fields together with immunotherapy, which has the potential to meaningfully extend the patient's survival beyond what was previously possible. So it's not necessarily curing it per se, but it's treating it and allowing patients to take this drug and to have a longer and healthier and happier life for longer than they would have if they would have taken the drug, of course. Now, these biotech stocks are always like this. They can pop 60%, drop 60%. They're very speculative. And in these clinical trials, they're a big deal. It's really hard to invest in these, but let's look at the company a little bit closer, give you a little bit more details and background about Novocure. So founded in 2000, 1,200 employees, 25,000 plus patients treated to date. This is from their earnings, which was late October 2022. They had $131 million of Q3 2022 net revenue. Of course, they're not profitable yet. They also have 5 phase 3 and 4 trials that are ongoing. Global footprint, United States, Europe, Japan, Israel, and partner in China. So we talked about LUNAR, that's the lung cancer, and they told us in October they expected some data in early Q1 2023. Here we are today. They also have a product for ovarian cancer. They've got one for brain disease. They've got one for pancreatic cancer as well. Those last two are 2024. Those first two, the lung and ovarian, 2023. And that's just for data. So this is still very speculative. With biotech, if you've invested in biotech, their pipelines are very important. You can see phase 2, phase 3, phase 4, and approved. Okay, so they at least do have a couple things that have been approved. They've got lots of stuff in 3 and 4. These type of companies can make you a lot of money. If they get through phase 3 and 4, they get approved and you get the drug released and they start making money. But it is, again, very speculative. All right, guys, just for fun, let's look at a chart. I'm going to show you how much this thing popped today. See if there's any room left in the tank. You have to be careful chasing it, of course. But before I do that, I need to announce this video is sponsored by The Motley Fool. If you'd like to see the 10 best stocks to buy now, visit fool.com/firedupwealth. You can also visit our private community and join that. We have a Discord. You can visit patreon.com/firedupwealth. I love charts like this. This thing was range bound for a really long time. You can see it was trading in this channel really. It went down to 56, up to 90. Most recently, it was trading around 61, got to 86. It's been kind of bouncing in this channel. So it bounced from 61 all the way up to 86, down to 69. Here's the candle today, woo, all the way up here. So this thing flew all the way to $118. It's pulled back some. It's trading right now at $114 a share. It's above all the resistance lines. You have to be really careful with this. If you're trading, you want to see it consolidate, maybe make a bull flag before it consolidates higher. But anytime you see a big pop, especially in a bear market, you have to be really careful because this thing can get faded really quickly. People can start taking profits and start positioning that cash elsewhere. So I wouldn't be touching the stock here. Congratulations if you bought it at 61 or even at $80 because you made some nice profits. You know, a lot of times with these in bear markets, if you're really bullish on the company long-term, say you want to hold it 5 years, keep holding it. Don't add it, but keep holding it. But at the same time, be smart. Sometimes you have to trim profits. So if you bought this stock at $60 or even if you bought it sooner than that, you know, maybe you take a little bit of profit. I'm not a financial advisor. I can't tell you what to do with your money. Me in this market, I might sell a third of my shares or something just to raise some cash. Maybe sell your original cost basis. You know, at that point, it's kind of like house shares. You kind of let it run, and it's a speculative type stock in your portfolio. So I hope this was helpful, guys. Drop me a like, drop me a comment. This is my 4th video in 4 days, and I'm trying to grow the channel over 40,000 subscribers in 2023. So do me a favor, subscribe to the channel, click the bell to get notifications. Also, drop me a like and comment. That helps with the algorithm. I appreciate your time and attention. Have a great rest of your day. Take care.